Welcome to Quick Laser Tutorials. Today I will show you the best way to paint plywood. These are all you need for this quick project. I sand the surface. It becomes smooth and ready for paint. Applying the second coat to both numbers, the one painted directly and the one with primer and sanding. Here's the result. The piece with primer and sanding looks smooth, while the one painted directly shows roughness and imperfections. So the conclusion is clear. Always use primer and sanding before painting plywood. It takes a little more time, but the result is worth it.